Welcome. Secrets of the Unknown, good morning. Hello everybody. Let's start off the day. Welcome to the London session, London Kill Zone. What an awesome name, London Kill Zone. You know, if you say to someone who doesn't really understand what the hell you're talking about, they think you're a maniac, you know, London Kill Zone. Anyway, good morning. Naomi, good morning. All right. First of all, Ellie Traders, good morning. Good to see you, man. Let's see the news. We have manufacturing, so PMI data coming in the next, well, in 2 hours. We should be having French, German, European. All right. Have some PMI news. New night, new opportunity. Exactly. Exactly. All right. Going for Asia high right now, it seems like. But first of all, let's check some levels, including some fair value gaps, as we used to do that every morning. This is a 15-minute fair value gap. Interesting how it got rejected from the midpoint right there. 15-minute BC. So this one got rejected. Marcelele, hey there. Welcome. And what else? Seems like we could be heading up there. It's about 15 points to take out this level. It's technically an Asia high, so it's very close. I would say we have a very good chance that this one's just, you know, wants to go there. What else? Yeah, look at that. It wants it, I think. But I don't know. I don't know. Let's see it on the mini. Also 43 on the mini, so quite close. I would say so. 43.25. I would say it can go there very easily. Very, 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 very easily. So, otherwise, what do we have? This has been efficiently repriced on the drop yesterday. Nice sell-off, by the way. And what else do we have here? We have this low on the 1 hour chart. We do have this fair value gap and another one down there. So this would be a 1 hour BC. Okay. Let's see what it does. I mean, Asia high is quite close. Usually it goes for it, except when it's not. So, Tommy me, good morning. Beats Voyager, hey, good morning. Red Velvet, hey there. Do ProfiTrade give certificate? Yes, it's on the dashboard. If you go to the dashboard, you can download it. I didn't even know either. Where is the certificate? You can download it at the dashboard on the accounts. It's right on the account. There's a download icon there interesting how they did that the way like this, but you can download it. Hitmaker, hey, let's get it. Chris, welcome. Yono, good morning from New Zealand. Awesome. New Zealand, man. That is cool. That is awesome. All right. I'm not doing anything with this Asia high because simply there's just not enough range or risk to reward ratio. So I'm just waiting for this to be taken out. And that's it. Otherwise, all is good, all is well. So I can show you just a second. Let me log into my ProfiTrade dashboard. Here it is. So here's the ProfiTrade dashboard. And here's the certificate. You see that? Right there. You click on it. And that's it. Simply just download. Right there. Judith, good morning. Jules, hey there. Welcome. Marco, good to see you, man. Okay. Welcome, guys. No problem, Marcelo. No problem. Okay. So, what else do we have? So we have this 15-minute BC, which is also, if we zoom out, it's also technically a 1 hour, not almost a 1 hour, but if I pull a rectangle here, it's technically a 1 hour BC as well. So 1 hour / 15 minute. Quite a reaction. Reacted to the mid-level. Might gonna take out the Asia high, which is at 10 points distance. And whatever happens after that, that's a mystery. But tomorrow is gonna be history. I know, I'm good in this. Yeah. All right, repricing this gap. I don't trust the sells right now. I think as long as Asia high is here, it would be, I would say, low probability to jump into a sell right here. So I'm just gonna wait. What's up, Bob? Good to see you back. Well, my day so far is just starting out, so I almost slept too much, and I missed the start. I'm still drinking my coffee. Full port longs Asia high. You can try to do that. I think there's a high probability that 10 points are gonna get booked here. Boom. But again, I don't have the proper risk to reward for this. But if you guys want to full port the 43, it's up to you. Did you full port? Yes, I did. I did. I full ported a few ProfiTrade accounts. I think I bought like 5 or 6. I don't even know. And I full ported all of them because I just didn't want to waste time. Except for, actually, I bought a direct to funded account too, and I'm gonna buy one more, I think. But I'm thinking to buy a MyFundedFutures instant funded account as well, because if you didn't know yet, MyFundedFutures has instant funded account too. It's called a Milestone account. Just saying, instant funded. If I close a trade before TP is a problem? No. Why would it be a problem? Did someone say it's a problem? Isham, good to see you. I closed many times trades before reaching the TP, except yesterday. Oh man, yesterday was crazy. Yesterday I did crazy. All right, come on. Asia high should be taken out. Oh, no problem, Jules. It's expensive though. It's not cheap, but you have to pay money for the good stuff, I always say. But the cheapest one is $400 with the discount. But here it is, the Milestone account. With the discount code, you can get it for $400. There's profit targets, that's why it's called Milestone account, Milestone plan. So you have to make $3,000, that's the target. And whenever you reach $3,000 on the account, you get $2,000 payout. That's it. Those are called milestones. If you do 4 of these milestones, you get to a live account, straight to live funded account. Actually, this is a funded account, so the difference is not too much from a classic Apex model or Bulenox or whatever, because the goal is to build up $3,000 and you can withdraw $2,000. That's it. That's the Milestone account. One thing though, 20% consistency rule, which is absolutely fine in my opinion, but you get end of day drawdown. Where is it? There you go. End of day drawdown of $2,000 and no intraday drawdown, so no daily loss limit. Basically do what you want, quote unquote, and that's it. That's the Milestone account. So the cheapest one is $400. I'm gonna buy one, I think. So first day with my take profit 50k funded. Let's go, Steam. Come on, awesome. Hey, Mr. Pipster. Good morning. Long time no see. You went long 330. Let's go, guys. I don't have the balls to do this. I don't have the nerves to do this. We have technically relative equal highs to the left here. But you know. Yeah, basically, Marcella, it looks like an eval, but it's not an eval. But if you really think about it, Bulenox funded account is technically an eval. Apex funded account is technically an eval. You know, Take Profit Trader funded is technically an eval. Why do I say that? Because all of those funded accounts, you have to reach the safety threshold and you have to maintain that safety threshold, which means technically the funded account itself is a second phase. You have to pass the second phase, which is building up your safety threshold. So all of them are basically evaluation accounts on the funded account phase, because you have to build the safety net, which I don't have any problem with, but yeah. Yeah, so basically the Milestone account is a funded account, or you can call it whatever you want, but you're gonna get paid if you reach $3,000. So your reward on investment, ROI, is $400, and if you build it up, you can pull out $2,000 on your first milestone, which is 5 times of your investment. That's what you have to look, guys. Invest $400 into your account, and you just simply have to reach $3,000, and then you have have a 5 times reward on your investment. Basically, this is the way to look at these accounts. That's why I'm considering to buy one. You know, I can invest $400 to get out $2,000. That's a good investment. Good morning, Tall Trader. Did you receive your recent payout? No, I didn't. I also requested, I know you guys don't care about it, and it's absolutely understandable. I did not receive any affiliate payouts as well. So not $1 from Fast Track from affiliate payouts, which I don't care because first they have to pay the traders, obviously. But I just asked yesterday on Discord, directly Scott on Discord, that, hey Scott, can you send the affiliate payouts, because I requested it a month ago. And he answered to me and he said send him the email and he's going to take care of it tonight. I mean yesterday. So I sent him and he immediately replied in the email that we're gonna get you paid by tonight. That's what he said yesterday. So I checked my account. There is no affiliate payout from Fast Track Trading, which I don't care, because obviously the traders should be paid out first, I think. But you know, it is what it is. So I don't know what's happening with Fast Track Trading, but that's it. Marco, yesterday was awesome. We had a beautiful trade. It missed my TP with one single tick. One tick. By the way, this is a sugar-free. This is a sugar-free protein bar or something, and this is what I'm having for breakfast right now. Asia low down here 275. 275 is my Asia low. And we have a 1 hour BC. Not yet. Not yet. My ProfiTrade accounts, I'm building these up. Let me show you. So here's my ProfiTrade accounts. This one has $516. This one has 1,229. Yesterday I managed to make about $300 on this account. And this one has $516. So it's a slow progress, but you know me, guys, I'm doing it very slowly. So these are the ones that I'm trying. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna let you guys know how I'm doing with the progress. Oh, they're canceling them. I did not have the denied payout email or whatever. But at this point, honestly, and I watched a few videos and I gathered some informations as much as I could. I'm gonna have to do my own take as well, especially because I'm doing a recap video. Tomorrow is Friday, right? Yeah. Tomorrow, how I did with the week, and I'm gonna have to talk about Fast Track Trading too, because I was promoting them. And I do feel bad about the situation. And so I have to state again. And I got some messages, 1 or 2, not too much, actually 2 messages. Okay, I'm not going to say who. I received messages that actually somewhat blaming me, not blaming me, but, you know, telling me that it was absolutely unethical from me to promote Fast Track Trading while they were already delayed on the payouts, and I was still having my fast track trading promotion on the stream while they were already delayed by 1 month, and I was still promoting them. But okay, that's one point. So that's true. I was still promoting them while they were behind almost a month, and so I get rid of every link from the stream and everywhere. I don't know what to say. These are the things you can never know. So that's why I said with ProfiTrade, guys, it's a new prop firm. If they go down, they go down. I just want to make money, and not just with affiliate payouts, but with the instant funded model. That was really interested for me. You know, the instant funded model was a good thing to have. But anyway. What's the rules for payout? Basically, fast track trading pulled the apex rule. That's it. And somewhat, I know it sounds stupid, but somewhat I understand that they had to pull out those rules. But retroactively denying the traders, that's a shady thing, I think. I have to admit it. And there's only one explanation, guys. And I have to agree with Methodical Man, what he said on his video. If they had to cancel retroactively, guys, that can only mean one thing: they don't have enough money. Well, I hope I hope it's not true, but they don't have enough money. That's it. So I hope it will get solved. I still hope for all of those traders. Yeah, MyFundedFutures, Apex, Top Step, absolutely legit. Take Profit Trader also. By the way, and Bulenox. Guys, nobody talks about Take Profit Trader and Bulenox. Imagine why. Just because they pay out people. That's it. Is FTT, I saw the new rules. Yeah, Bob, I hope that's what I'm saying. I told you guys I'm gonna wait for I'm gonna wait at least the first week of November to try to decide if I'm gonna buy more accounts from FTT or not. Most likely at this point I'm not sure. Hey Dominic, what's happening? Yeah, the perfect instant funding model is MyFundedFutures, but it's expensive. I agree. $400, but you get all the goods. By the way, and Salty, that's true. If Fast Track Trading would have just said that, hey guys, listen, the thing is that, you know, because of the flippers or whatever, we got a huge payout piled up and we cannot honor them. We are having money issues. If they would have said this, I think that would have been an even better choice. But anyway. Yeah, he has been paid before. But he's stuck with $25,000 in payouts. I think. Not sure. Yeah, I absolutely understand, Jules. Good morning, Chippus. You would have got. Oh, I see, Naomi. Well, I don't know. Yeah. He got an email saying that he will get half of that. Oh. Well, maybe. Yeah, 400 is the new instant funded account. $445 for the cheapest 50K instant funded account with MyFundedFutures. So with the discount, you get it for 400, and it's super simple. Basically, that's what we're doing on all these prop firms. You have to reach $3,000, which is the first profit target, $3,000, and then you get paid out $2,000. 20% consistency rule, understandable, absolutely, no problem. $2,000 payout, and that's it. That's how simple it is. It's basically, it's almost like Apex before the rules, or in between Apex and Bulenox. So you just have to make $3,000 to get a $2,000 payout. So the reward on risk or ROI, which I said, is 5 times the investment if you feel able to push this account to a payout. So that's it. 3 minis, 9 micros, more than enough. More than enough, guys. More than enough. News trading allowed, no daily loss limit, and end of day drawdown. So overall, it is an absolutely good plan. And if you make 4 payouts, you go to a live account. That's it. They put you to a live account. Really? There's a 25K. Okay, so this, because this flyer has been made before, so they don't have the 25K. I mean, they might have a 25K now. I didn't check. There's the link in the chat. I don't know. Instant funded account from MyFundedFutures. Technically it is. It is an instant funded account, so oops, where's my calculator? I have to count something. How much is the risk here? Oh yeah, now I know. I want to buy a few Apex accounts, and I want to buy 2 more take profit accounts and copy trade them. Likes, let's go. It's 171. Oh, really? A 171? There is one? There is. Guys, look at this. There is a 25K milestone account, which means max drawdown is $1,000 and phase 1 target $1,500. $750 on the first payout on the 25K. That's a good one, guys. This is actually reasonable. So the 2 accounts which I'm considering was 25. I might go with the 50 and the 25K. So $750 payout, and the second payout is going to be $1,000. Third payout is $1,250. This is reasonable, in my opinion. No daily loss limit. Scaling is 1. That's good. Consistency, okay. I like it. I like it. I think I'm gonna get. I have to get one of these and these. So they have it. Good. No, I haven't. I'm not trading yet with Tradeify. I was looking into trading with them, but you know, MyFundedFutures just came out with their, and I trust MyFundedFutures, came out with the instant funded model. So I was considering Tradeify, but now I'm going to buy MyFundedFutures. Payout is small. Yeah, the 50K account would make more sense with the $2,000 payout, I think, at the first milestone. Only 1 minute is quite small. You know, you can go micros, but Yeah. The 50K account is what I think I'm gonna buy. We're stuck here, guys. I mean, there's nothing to do. We're hovering just below the Asia high, and Hannah and OP, welcome to the stream. Thank you for joining. Welcome to the channel. So there's nothing to trade here. I'm looking at the 5-minute. We have a 5-minute fair value gap here, which is actually turned into an inversion gap. But other than that, nothing special. The 15-minute BC rejected price, so this is a good target from these highs, but no displacement on the 1-minute. The mini, well, nothing on the mini. So far I have no trade. That's why I'm just, just talking all over. Okay, so this 5-minute CB acting as support right now, trading below the mid-level of that. But, I mean, resistance, yeah. And so far, price was having a bit of a trouble breaking into the Asia highs. There was no displacement so far. I mean, there was a small minor fair value gap here. So it could be sweeping the 325 for stops and then go up. Holy Grail, what's up? Good morning. I don't need a proper count, but whenever you talk about it, I always wish I had one. Slovenia, I can't open it. Oh, damn. You can try to open with ProfiTrade, I guess, and Bulenox. Although Bulenox doesn't have instant accounts, but still, Bulenox and ProfiTrade, I think they let people join from other countries as well. Maybe even take ProfiTrader, but not sure. Good morning, Paul. Fresh Delgado, man. Hey, good to see you back. So, stuck here. Let's see what happens. Looks like we're going for Asia highs. Purchase the milestone. Let's go. Let's go, serious trader. Let's do this. Yeah, you want to do a challenge? 200 a day? Close the computer. All right. All right. What happened? Fresh Delgado. Oh my God. Jesus. Look at this. Donated $10. 9.99. Oh.
Tom, although I don't trade your style, your streams keep us motivated to come back every single day. Just for that I'm putting the house on the funded, smiley face, cool face.
Don't put your house on the funded. Thank you so much for the $10 donation, man. Thank you, man. Look at that Asia high. With that donation, seems like the market makers spared us. And we're going for the Asia highs, it seems like. Thank you again. Well, let's put the house. Yeah, put the house on. Thank you for the comment. I don't know what that voice is. Will you be streaming all day on November? I think I will. Is that gonna be that's gonna be a bank holiday? What day is that? November 5th. It's gonna be a Tuesday. It's not gonna be a bank holiday. Wow, that's gonna be interesting. I'm definitely, you know what? I'm gonna do a full day stream on November 5th with giveaways. How about that? We're gonna do giveaways and a full day stream. So I'm not gonna do 24 hours, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start like a London stream as usual, and I'm gonna be streaming all the way until the PM session. How about that? So that's gonna be a lot. Jesus Christ, that's gonna be 12, almost 14 hours. 14 hours, Jesus. 14-hour stream. Now that I said it, I had to make that, right? So long. A 14-hour stream. How about that? What have you done? Yeah. What have you done? That's just a normal voice, but Trump. For anyways, all right. Good morning, Alex. Sorry, I didn't see that. So, November 5th, 14-hour stream. Man, now I have to do that. I'm so stupid. I have to do that now. and giveaways. Yeah, I got the email. I mean, I got the email from Fast Track Trading just now, a few minutes ago, that blah 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 blah. We recognize blah 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 by everyone. Yada yada. Promote blah blah blah. Refund option. Case by case basis. If you were waiting for a payout and your payout approval was cancelled due to these new rules, we are offering a refund option on a case by case basis. Please note that this will result in the course what closure? Sorry, closure of your accounts, and you will forfeit any compensation related to these cancellations. Exceptions apply, and each request will be carefully reviewed. So the will be is the main thing here. Will be. How many time? A month, a year, 2 years, 20 years, who knows? Will be. So that's the emphasis here, not the rest of the thing. This here. So that's it. Moving forward, continues, blah, 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 yada, yada. Okay, that's it. Okay. I know Alpine said he was going to do. Okay. He's inconsistent according to others. Well, at least, let's see. Maybe he does that right next time. 100 lot. How you doing with the FTT accounts? I hope. I mean, did you get denied for payouts? Because I know you were very close, or you were actually waiting for a payout. I know that 100 lot, man. Well, yeah. I hope that. Waiting 16.5k. Jesus, man. Jesus. This is gonna be a lot of people's first time trading during election news. History for everyone. I think I'm going to stay with evaluation accounts on election day, because anything can screw up the markets. But we're gonna do evaluation accounts. All right, let's pump up the new funded accounts, and let's do maybe a little bit of full port and some proper trading too. I'm not going to do, I think, funded accounts on election day, but evaluations, it's a good thing to pump the evaluation accounts. I'm here for the 100. Okay. Okay, Gabriel, step in the line. 5 weeks now. Jesus, 100 lot. Oh, did you receive telling you? I received an email last week or something over the weekend that paid by date November 2. Mine is November 2. That's the thing, but I did not receive anything else. Trader to be. I agree. You voted yesterday. I did get the payout date email. Nice. I think I'm just going to stick with that 50k. Yeah. Going forward. Definitely 100 lot. Have to move forward. Awesome. Awesome. November 4th. Well, the only problem is, oh wow, look at this, what's happening? The only problem is I talked with a few guys from Discord that they received paid by date emails until 22 of October, and nobody received money. Nobody. So I hope it's just a glitch, or I don't know. So fast payouts is a must. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Definitely, I agree. I agree. Fast scam, slow track trading. Yeah, I also... What the hell is going on with this price action this morning? I think I'm gonna have to wait for London Open because this is just, you know, it swept a little bit of liquidity. I'm not in a trade. It swept liquidity, and now it can resend it to Asia high. I'm not comfortable to go short if Asia high is not taken out. Apparently, people in Tradeify are getting paid out within 1 hour. Let's go. That's awesome, man. Yeah, I just don't know if this move can be trusted or not. You know, let me look at the mini. Okay, trading view pro. Okay, so this is it. Look at this. If you switch to the mini on the 1 minute, liquidity void up there. I'm not trusting the shorts because of this. And if it goes through the liquidity void, it's gonna go for Asia highs, I think. So that's a no-go for me on the shorts. My trading view is super slow. What the hell? So even if it drops down a little bit more, hopefully not too much. I don't know which platform do they use. Do they have Rhythmic or DX feed? I don't know. Ninja. Okay. MFF and Take Profit. Yeah. MFF and Take Profit Trader. I haven't tried Tradeify yet. I registered with them. I haven't tried it yet. You profit. I heard something about that able to hold and swing trade it, but I don't know about the details. Arnie, there's a gap on the 4 hour. Let's check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there is. And by the way, totally forgot to check on that, but the new day opening gap, totally forgot to put that in place. Is here. New day opening gap. And yeah, new day opening gap. And here. New day opening gap. So we have a new day opening gap down there. Quite big. Looks like we're going down. Might return to that gap. Didn't take out the and it's right there at the Asia lows. I just don't understand why it didn't take out the Asia highs yet. Singularity, hey there. Yeah, it will. Army, it's like 99% sure that it's going to rebalance it with a down close candle. The question is, what's it going to do before? Are we going to tap the Asia highs, or just going to leave it at that and you know, take the elevator down? So that's the only question, in my opinion. It did take it out. Maybe on the mini. We still have it on the mini at 43. But yeah, I mean, it did take out, it swept liquidity here, but not everything. And the thing is, we still have a liquidity void up there, quite a big one, but it's not visible on the 5 minutes, so it might not be that super interesting. Sell side liquidity, low hanging fruit is at 306, I think. I have no entry. Hey, Sirek. Yeah, we have news. We have PMI numbers in 25 minutes, and then 15 minutes after that, 30 minutes after that. So London session has some news. And just like that, look at this, we're going back. Starts at 35. Yeah, it should be going up. Trying to figure this out, but I feel not much has happened here. Asia highs are still in place. At 43. Maybe price will take the Asia highs. Maybe. This is a huge question now. What it wants to do. We can just easily drop down and rebalance the new week. A new day opening gap. The open of this 35.25. $43. Watching at these levels. Hard to decide. Hard to decide what to do. London Open is 6 minutes away. So let's wait. Let me read. Hold on. Maybe price will take the shares and then yeah. Morning, Matt. Hey there. Price action is ridiculous. Yeah. I know. You're near equilibrium since yesterday's drop. Yeah, that's true. Do you recommend starter or starter plus, even though the consistency rule is not their starter plus and you had massive day? You know, the starter plus is a little bit better. So Matt, yeah, so I don't know. Both are good. I mean, obviously, I think these are good accounts, both the starter and the starter plus. Depends on your trading strategy. You know, the starter is a little bit cheaper. Maybe I would go with that, you know, just to get the feel of it. But yeah, they move you to live. Yes. Yes. So after that, they move you to live. You see the bottoms where it can go through. Yeah, I see these levels there, and it's definitely, you know, this sell side is in jeopardy. Down at 06. Yeah, we just have to wait. Could drop to 300 super easy from here, you know. Take out this recent low, maybe. London Open will tell us. Just have to be patient. ProfiTrade so far, I have no problems. I'm building up the accounts so far. So just building the accounts. And yeah, hope for the best. I'm building the accounts and that's it. So no problems yet. I hope there will be no issues at all. With no consistency, yeah, the last limit. But what time if you would have 7 P&L end of day? Well, in that case, I think you just have to trade more. I mean, no, there's a if you can make 7,000 by end of day, I don't know if there's a minimum trading days on the starter plus. I have to check it. I think if you reach that level and you request payout, the thing is you have to request payout $6,000. That's just gonna stay on the account for a while, and you might gonna be able to continue to trade with the account. Interesting question though. Something like that. Well, the platform is, I mean, the website is working if that's what you're asking, but the platform I use Quant Tower, but you can go with ETS. They use DX feed, so you can trade with Volumetrica desktop, web, ETS, Quant Tower, and they're working on the TradingView integration. But so far, and they said there's going to be no Rhythmic connection. They're not going to work with Rhythmic. And so far that's it. So any platform that is compatible with DX feed should be able to connect to ProfiTrade, you know. So let's see what's happening. Are we going to go back and reprice some levels up there, or are we just gonna stick here? London Open is right now, so let's see how it goes. Let's see the London Open. We have numbers in 15 minutes. No, the Virgo Trader. I never tried them. I mean, back in the days with Forex prop firms, but otherwise I didn't. All right, let's see. So there is this volume imbalance, which price might want to try to reach for. Not sure. What's the plan here? So far, it pretty much seems like it might want to go for it. If it's going to rebalance it or not would be interesting to see, but it does. Where does it start? At 35.25. Something like that. I wonder if it wants to reprice it. You know, it's just getting closer. Did you get your payout? No, I didn't get it. Trading Nirvana. Have you ever heard that song, Catch Me As I'm Falling? Something, yeah, I think I heard that. How about payout? Payout rules are not that difficult. Actually, you have to build up the safety net just like others. And you can request, for example, $2,600, the safety net at the 50K account. You can request it, but you have to leave $500 at the account. So far, this prop firm lets you to withdraw the safety net, which is quite interesting. I don't know how long are they going to leave that in place at all. But so far, you can request a safety net, is what I know. And you just have to leave $500 on the account. So that's quite interesting. Yeah. Good morning, Cedric. Let's make some money. Yeah. London Open is still interesting. Did not go for the highs yet. I don't know if it will at all, or trying to reprice that level at all. It just did. That's a good thing, I guess. Okay, so I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you guys that we're going to return some way or the other to this volume imbalance, and the 343 level is actually in place right now. So I think Asia highs have now a good chance. Now, with that being said, we have unbalanced priced here and here. So what it can do, because London is tricky, it can go down here and then shoot up, is what I think can happen. Still bearish? Could be. But the Asia highs, there you go. Asia highs are now gone or taken. Almost. Yes, broke Asia highs. Let's see. Forgot to mention I passed starter with your code. Whoa, Matt, congratulations. Totally. I'm sorry if I'm not reading the chat upside down, but I mean, I'm reading it all over. Yannick's hey there, forgot to say hello. Frosedo, yeah, welcome. Asia high taken out, nice. I'm scrolling the chat up and down. Okay, did you get, no, I didn't get the payout. Gabriel, welcome. Camille, hey there. Cedric, Matt, nice. Congratulations again, Matt. Not long, I guess. Seems heavy, yeah, ES break. Was trying the volumetric platform yesterday around lunch and I passed 50k account ref. Let's go. ES liquidity at 58.60. Let me check it. Oh, I have to open the chart. Hold on. Where's my ES chart? I closed it accidentally. That's why I don't see it. I have so many tabs opened up on my left. Yes. Yes, that's open. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay. Yeah, 58. 58, 56-ish area should be taken by ES. So it's going to remain a little bit bullish with NQ until it's not going to take it. And we have buy side now right there at 62. Now, this move here, in my opinion, was almost, but not completely, but almost untradeable. I mean, we picked up liquidity from this fair value gap, but and now it can continue, you know, higher all the way up to the 62s, repricing this small gap and then continue higher. There's a flag and also respect weave up. Ah, I see. I see. So oh my god, a friend of mine just texted me that he bought the new iPhone. Nothing against iPhones. The only thing is that they are super expensive. iPhone is a great cell phone, but I think they're absolutely overpriced. I had iPhone back. I mean, I had iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 last time. So no issue. But the newest iPhone is so expensive, man. So absolutely expensive. Kamala Harris for MFF. Okay, it seems like it could still go up. Let me check ES again. Yeah, ES wants to push it to take out the 58.56. And now look at this. Just going down. Is the best. I heard the same thing from someone. They say that technically, what's the newest iPhone? iPhone 15 or 16? I don't even know. But they said the iPhone 11 can do everything what the new iPhone does, actually. That's what they told me. I don't know anything about the new iPhones, absolutely anything, but that's what they told me, that iPhone 11 can actually do everything. Small differences, but that's all. Price is good, okay. In US, you usually get new one for free every couple of years with trade. Oh, if you trade it in, nice. Well, at least there's a way to do it. Apex and FTT, be aware. Well, I have no problem with Apex. FTT is a different scenario. Apex, I think, no issue. But I respect everybody's opinion. Apex, no issue. Morning, John. Yes, you and text people and take photo. Yeah. I have my phone is like a 5-year-old. What is this? It's like I'm using this phone since 5 years now, or at least 4, but maybe 5. This phone is a how do they say it? Xiaomi. What's the name of this? It's a Redmi Pro. Whatever. Look at that. 62. Are we going for 62? We are going for 62 maybe. Yeah, I used this for like almost 5 years. It's still working. It's still working. It's good for, you know what I can do with this phone? You guys won't believe it. Listen, I can do with this phone, I can call people. I just type in their numbers and I can make a phone call, which is awesome. I can send a text message. And listen to this. I was able to record a video and take pictures. So when I heard that, I said, okay, this is the one. I can take pictures, I can record a video, and I can text. And there are some different applications on it. If I use Wi-Fi connection, I don't even have to pay for the text message because it's free. And I can send the picture in a text message. And the guy told me this in the shop, and I said, you got me, I'm gonna buy this one. And I'm using this since 5 years. So Changing rule just before payouts. Yeah, it's never good news. Yeah. Yeah, Virgo Trader. I agree. Yeah, so I can accept the rule change, is what I say. I accept rule changes. I can live with that because, okay, rules can be changed. But retroactively changing the rules, you know, that is a that is like very, 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 very bad. That is very bad. And only one reason, one single reason, if you have no money. That's the only reason. Yeah, Virgo Trader. I mean, the rule change itself, JP, the rule change itself would not be a super big issue. That would not be the biggest issue. Actually, the rule change is that now you cannot withdraw your safety threshold, which does all the other prop firms, almost all the other prop firms does that. So you cannot withdraw the safety threshold, and you have to, and you cannot flip the account. I can live with that. Okay, it's fine. Look at that, we just went through. But retroactively, you know, denying the payouts from people who already got approved, that is, you know. And, you know, as Methodical Man said, like he traded, and also 100 lot here, Methodical Man, $25,000, you know, built up the accounts for $25,000 payout. 100 lot here, 16K. Yeah, I hope so too. And just denying the payout. So no. That is not something So you're working on weeks and months to build those accounts slowly, step by step. And at the end, they're just gonna tell you that, hey, you got an invitation to the Diddy party, and you go to the party, you bend over, and you get the Diddy lubricants, and all the rest, you know. As Methodical Man said, I like that phrase. So you got an invitation to the Diddy party with the lubricants. Insurance is highly regulated. As an example, they check, make sure insurance. Yeah, by the way, regulations are also, I completely get what you're saying. Scar, hey there. I'm doing okay. Oh, let me read the chat just a second. I missed a few of you guys. Okay. So regulations also want to make sure that, for example, a prop firm has enough cash in the back or backed up to be always, so like the casinos, guys, the casinos are perfectly a good example. So for example, the casino always have to have enough cash in their safe to pay out all the chips in the casino. They always have to back up every chip in the safe with cash money. So the same would go for prop firms. I hope so, with the regulations, that prop firms have to have cash backup to pay out all their accounts. You know, that would be an awesome regulation. That would be great. That would clear the field. That, I think. I mean, I know it's not that simple. I know. But, you know. So that makes, like, nobody can start a prop firm with a few $1,000s with that, you have to start a prop firm with millions of dollars. And by the regulators, you would have to put that money into a safety deposit bank account, which is checked by the regulators all the time that you have enough money to pay out your prop traders all the time. Now that would give us a huge safety net. So yeah. Until now, took 6 evals yesterday. I see only 2 pay. I survive out of 6. I know, Dominic, as you said it. Free to detail backwards, yeah. You get DD'd. You make them huge money, yeah. By the way, I did not receive any amount as an affiliate from Fast Track Trading. They did not pay me out, and I don't think they ever will. So I did not receive a single dollar, believe me or not, as an affiliate. So with the Diddy, same cell with Diddy, are in place for us to get to live account. Yeah. So actually going to a live account is, yeah, it's the first step, you know. Also prevent just anyone to start. Yeah, exactly. So now, you know, people can start a prop firm with the laptop and a few $1,000s from a basement. And that's how simple to start a prop firm. Now, I think they will also control that too. It's hard to stop a prop, not just an ATM. Yeah. That's, yeah. Yeah, this was a nice target to up here. I just don't know. I'm still waiting for shorts, guys. Why? I'm gonna tell you why I'm waiting for shorts, and this is gonna be my primary target for the session, because we have new day opening gaps. Right there. Look at this. If you go to the left, look at this here. Huge new day opening gap. Right here. Now, don't be mistaken. This gap is going to get rebalanced. If you look at the 1 hour chart, here's the 1 hour chart, but you can also check it on the 4 hour. This gap here, this area, is going to get rebalanced. It's just a question of time. We should see rebalanced means down close candle in this area. Maybe in the New York session, I don't know, but that's what I'm waiting for. So that is one of the reasons I'm not really looking for actually longs here. And to be honest, I'm looking for short positions. For example, here, I like this structure shift. I like the structure shift. We went into the 15-minute CB. So and there you go, 15-minute CB. I think 59, so that's 60. Yeah, I would like to take a short on this one, to be honest. But it's still a little bit dangerous. Maybe on an eval. Okay. I took a short. And my target would be way down there. I'm willing to hold this. First target. Oh, actually, just give me a second. $265. I'm willing to hold this all the way down to the 300s. I don't care. 302. It's a very small position, like $80. Let me show you. And I might just gonna get taken out. Here it is. This is the trade. But if I make it down there, I can make a good risk to reward. Let me read the chat. I'm way behind the chat. I have to scroll up. Yeah, casino should pay card counters and also yeah. I agree, Dominic. Percent would gone exactly, Marcy. Pontashon, exactly. 80% of the prop firms would be gone in a minute. Actually held on for 350. Hey, ERP Media, good to see you back. Check DC just a second, Tamash. I want to buy MFF. How many max? I think if you want to buy instant funded account, you can have up to 3. But evaluation accounts, I think you can buy up to 10. So yeah, I know a good code. But I think funded accounts you can start with 3, and then you can go up until 5, I think, but something like that. They change every month, everything. So online retailers that use reward programs are required to reserve. Oh yeah. McLovin, that's true. Yeah, exactly. It's outrageous how it's not applied to prop firms. Yeah, they should be having cash reserves. I wonder if Patrick Whelan said anything. I don't know. I don't think he cares about FTT. You know, he got paid and that's it. There's tons of news today. Yeah, we have some news, and we have news in about 4 minutes now. So FTT will look at be here in 6 months. I'm not gonna give them 6 months. Basically, FTT is not straight funded anymore. I agree, Marek, because it works like the rest of the prop firms. So if you really think about it, and we talked about this, if you pass an evaluation account, no matter which prop firm, Bulenox, Take ProfiTrade, Apex, MyFundedFutures, whatever, if you pass an evaluation account, that's phase 1. If you go to the funded account, quote unquote funded account, you have to build up the safety cushion, which is basically phase 2. So it's a 2-phase model. It's just perfectly, marketed into a funded account. So it's a 2-phase model. Phase 2 is to build up the safety cushion. And phase 3 is going to be any profit that you make above the safety net. Safety threshold. That's phase 3. So 2-phase accounts. So if you're buying yourself into an instant funded account, that's actually still an evaluation account, because you have to trade yourself up to phase 2, which is the payout phase, right? Anyway. Oh no, I'm gonna get taken out here. Just a second, guys. Okay. Let me read the chat. Patrick said a lot about all the prop firms, that he's done with prop firms and he will have to benefit on his own money and trade from that. No more prop firms. I doubt that he's going to trade his own money, but that's my own personal opinion. I highly doubt that Patrick Whelan is going to trade his own 350k account. If he goes tilt, which he does, he's going to lose it, just like any one of us. That's what I think. I like his streams. He's a good entertainer, but he's not going to trade his own money. 100% sure. No more prop firms beginning January 4. I don't think he's going to trade his own money still. Okay. Compare, you pay for activation for 20 evals, and that's nothing in pressure. Yeah, Exactly, Dominic. The good book says pride comes before a fall. Yeah. Apex, you have to pass evaluation and then build a buffer. Yeah, so that's two-phase. Every prop firm, and you can name any one of these prop firms, every prop firm is basically two-phase. Phase 1, evaluation. Phase 2, building up the buffer. That's it. That's how simple. So instant funded accounts, you can skip the first phase, but you still have to build up the buffer. If fast track trading would have started with that model, I think they would not be having these issues. So just an example, if fast track trading, and I was talking about this. Anyway, moving on. Instant stop set, not sure. I don't know. By the way, I still don't know why Patrick Quilland is so serious with Topstep and Rips. He bought the domain name from Market Clubhouse. Oh my god! And he put out all that. I don't know. Interesting. I think it's all for views. Basically, he spends a few bucks. Basically, like spends like $50 or $100. He spent $2,000 for the domain name, and it's all for viewers. Nothing more. That is all for social media exposure. Yeah, he would. I agree, Saltifin. He would wipe out his live account. It would be in a few weeks, maybe. Maybe I said too much. In 2 weeks, he would wipe out his personal account. I know I would. I told this to you guys. I am not capable of trading my own funds. I keep blowing up funded accounts all year. I would not risk my own money at this point until I'm not getting better. It might gonna take years, who knows, to be able mentally. For me to be able mentally and psychologically to manage my own capital. I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready. I go on tilt and I just wipe out like this the funds. The only one worth the time is 150k. Yeah, I agree, Marek. It's a good thing. If you trade with a little bit bigger size and you go for bigger gains, then yes. By the way, guys, I'm not trading this, and I keep talking about these prop firms because I'm just not. I don't have anything that I like here. I don't have anything. It has been if you looked at the 15-minute or the 1 hour, this has been repriced completely. And we are already in daily premium. I'm not sure how far this will go. The only thing I'm looking here is basically a reversal, which has not happened, and I'm targeting the new day opening gap down there, which starts at 300, 99.50, 299.50. I'm not looking to go long. I just don't feel it. Maybe it will go. Obviously, we can go to 400, 419. We can definitely go. I don't have an entry. I don't like those levels. I don't feel it. I'm guessing some of you guys are holding some trades to go higher. I just don't feel it. So I'm just waiting for a reversal. Yeah. He lost a lot of evaluation accounts, that's for sure. Trades by Slage. Hey there, good morning. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Underestimate how many profitable traders. Yeah, by the way, Jules, that's true. There's a lot of very good traders out there. He blocked Tanya trades. What? Patrick Whelan blocked Tanya? No way. They are best friends for life, or even more. But why did he block her? Got to go to work. All right, Dominic, thanks for dropping in. Good to see you always. See you later. Embarrassed him? Oh no. Oh no. I was looking at maybe the larger aesthetic. Oh no. He blocked Tanya. Wink. No, that's nasty. I'm not saying that. I don't know what happened. Maybe Tanya said something on the stream. EU goes. Let's go. Let me read. Tesla and Euro positive news. All right. Yeah, we had the news. Completely forgot. Yeah, I don't like to go. I don't like to go. I don't want to take any long position up here. I'm waiting for reversal patiently. I love these levels down there. If it's not going to happen in the London session, then maybe later in New York. I don't know. But I'm just not comfortable entering a trade to go long here. This one can absolutely, of course, go higher, but I'm just waiting for a reversal. He blocked Tanya. I wonder if Apex will fire. No, they won't, because he still has a lot of followers, and that's a golden nugget for every prop firm if they have an influencer with a lot of followers. That kind of affiliate, you know, input for them with new users is always a good thing. Day that was in the green, and he closed the stream. What? Tanya had a trade that was in the green and he closed the stream. Oh. Took another long. Let's go. Because exact opposite of what Apex says they want. Everything they tell us. All not to do. Well, everybody trades differently. Obviously, Patrick Whelan trades differently. Everybody. But Tanya took a loss, and Patrick Whelan made fun of her and said he'll teach Tanya how to trade. A few days later, Patrick Whelan took a loss, and Tanya jokingly told him. Oh, I like that. But you guys, you know, that actually attracts viewers. Oh, let me check the Discord. Oh, Tomasz took a trade again. Beautiful. I should have known that you are sitting in a trade since the London Open. Very nice. Is this the 5 minute? Yeah, I thought so. 5 minute sitting in a trade. Beautiful. Very, very, very good. Very good. I love it. I love it. Nice one. Yeah, actually, you had a good target down there. I think you're gonna hold it until this level, 427 or even higher. You're gonna hold it. No, actually, you're gonna hold it until 542. Is what I think. But very good. Yeah, he entered down here, somewhere at the bottom, at the London Open. And caused that her before blow. Oh no. That was the trade. Nice. Feels like they want to dump it. Yeah, I don't know. I just want to see some kind of a structure built up and then go lower. I like this wick at 340. Possible target. Asia high is there. I'm gonna delete this line. Minor sell side. I would like to put it here. 340. So I'm still waiting. I don't know how he does it, Douglas. Eric said bottom was in going back up. Oh, I shouldn't have shorted that market. Dropped 200 points from there. Oh. Oh. I don't know how he does it, 100 lot. I don't know. He always enters at the very bottom, so I think his entry was somewhere there at the end of the tick, of the wick, sorry, right there. Actually, yeah, his entry was almost there. He entered here. Right there. And he's just holding it. I don't know, man. That's skill, you know. That is skill. Is FTT, if FTT is toast, will there be some kind of formal notice or just never hear from them again? It's gonna be the second version. One day the website is just gonna be down and Discord is gonna be deleted, and that's it. That's what it's gonna. That's how it's going to end. At the end, there's gonna be no formal notice or anything. Yeah, it could have been a turtle soup. You know, beautifully took liquidity from these candles and then started to go higher. Now this is a structure I like. So if this structure would be broken with the displacement, I would jump into a short. I would jump in. Looking at the 5-minute, I like it. I like the 5-minute, how it looks. Nothing on the mini, nothing special, but I do like this. For now, it seems like it's just going higher, so no entry. Yeah, we always quite the opposite. Acceptance at higher price. I think his strategy is when I say I'm going short, he just go long, and vice versa. You know, fading me is actually a very good business, I think. Acceptance at higher price, good for another small leg long. Yeah. I don't know. I guess you can ask him. He will give you his email or something. I don't know. I'm his liquidity. Yeah. I'm his liquidity. I'm everybody's liquidity. That's how it goes, usually. Okay, no displacement yet. I wanted to see a nice structure shift to the downside. It didn't happen yet. And you know, we're just at the middle of this 15-minute CB. Come on. I don't know what's up with my trading view. Look at the rejection so far on the 15-minute chart. Right at the midpoint. I do like this. It's a nice little rejection. If I would see a displacement down, that would be something I'm interested in. I have to set up my copy trader. Just a second. Okay. Okay. Just a second. Okay, no structure shift. All right. Let me read. Good morning, Vivian. Hey there. Sorry. He is right. Sometimes you are, like last time. Well, it's different for everybody, you know. Nah, I'm unfortunately many times I'm not on the right side. Oh, look at this. Do you trade Forex? No, I was trading Forex last year in 23, but I left Forex. I was trading pound dollar and a bit of gold, which is not exactly Forex, but I was trading CFD prop firms. Hey, Tin Man. Deej, hey there. Up she goes, yeah. I'm not entering a trade here. Not in a long position. I mean, not taking a long position. Obviously, it can go way higher. Way higher. Have you checked the Robin FX side? Average position 6 micros. What? 6 micro lots. Wow. 400%. Is he using some algo or expert advisor, whatever? Automatic trading. Is it allowed to use expert advisors or robots and Robins? I don't know. Maybe it's not. I guess because it's not like, nope, he's just swinging. Oh, swing trading. Okay. Yeah, so that's the thing. With Forex, I think the best is to go for swing trading. Day trading in Forex, I think it's much harder because the movements are smaller, slippage and spread is enormous. And I think swing trading is the only thing for me that makes sense if I want to trade Forex. So swing trading, I mean 1 hour, 4 hour chart, holding positions maybe for days, 2 or 3 days even. So yeah, exactly, Marcelella. So if I would trade Forex, I would swing trade. Definitely not. Well, I'm not saying it's not possible. It's just, you know, look at euro dollar or even pound dollar. You know, you're looking for 5-10 pips of movements. Your spread is going to be 1 or 2 pips. The slippage is going to be 1 or 2 pips. Basically, when you enter a trade, you're just fighting against drawdown immediately, and it's just not that good. You need to be on gold or indices. Yeah, that's true. Also, Forex pairs, except GJ, of course, and what's the other? Some Australian pairs? No, not that. Japanese yen pairs. Those are good movers. That's why people like GJ in Forex, pound yen. because it moves better or bigger. But for example, the euro dollar for intraday day trading, you're looking for 5 and 10 pips, which is not too much. And again, the problem is the spread and the slippage, especially at prop firms. So swing trading makes more sense, I think, for Forex. Small positions, obviously. It was pound yen that was the one that really, yeah. Yeah, I remember pound yen was a big favorite. Guys, I'm starting to think that the draw on liquidity is going to be higher on the 15-minute chart. It wants to go into, not the 15, sorry, 5-minute. It wants to go above the 400, 419, you know? That's what I'm starting to think, but I'm not entering into a position here. What is ES doing? Oh yeah, ES is going to push it. 58.73. That makes us. NQ is going to push until 419, at least to the 400s. Oh yeah. 400. Here we come. Very close. But the thing is, I just don't have an entry for this. But it seems like it's gonna go. Where's my copy trader? Yeah. It just wants to keep on going. Up to 400. Yeah. Trading FX in 06. That was not now. That was a little bit way back. Shorts on gold. Careful, Jules. Let's go. So the whole FXCM debacle. I saw that too, and I mean, not that exactly. There was a issue with when Alperi collapsed, but there was the FXCM issue. I remember that. I approached trading first time in my life in 2007. So Alperi collapsed when there was an earthquake in Japan in 2011 or 12, something like that. I don't even remember. There was a big earthquake and Japanese yen positions got actually, I mean, they destroyed everybody and Alperi didn't have liquidity or something, so Alperi had to actually shut down and something like that happened. Good morning, Pablo. You're short from 385? All right. Careful there. Use proper stops and proper position. Grounds all night like this. Definitely AM sells. Likes to be, yeah. That was the Swiss. Now I remember when the Swiss bank actually let go the regulation of, I mean, the Swiss National Bank actually stepped back from withholding the franc. But there was an earthquake in Japan that actually destroyed Alpari Forex brokerage. Separate when the SNB, yeah, that was a separate thing. Yeah, I remember. Unpacked it. Yeah. Sitting in there for weeks, then took it off. Nice. They said, I think it's under over 300 million. Wow. Yeah. Orders just blew up. Yeah, the whole company blew up, but they bailed them out or something, obviously, because they still exist. So FXCM got bailed out. Okay. What's it gonna be? As long as ES is looking for that 58.73 level, or at least the 65-ish area, then NQ will follow. So no sign of bearish reversals yet. We are in the macro, so we could see a little bit of liquidity sweep. There is an unbalanced price down here, also on the mini, so it could sweep a bit of a liquidity from down there. Let's see what it does. Others just blew up. Yeah. TradeStation 2 was an amazing platform. Yeah, I used TradeStation 2. That was a good platform. I remember that. Yeah, the ability to swing trade is a good thing. I remember I was actually subscribing back in the days. It was quite a long time ago, and I was actually it was back in 2010. I wasn't really taking Forex trading that much serious, but I subscribed to a trading room, chat room. That's what they were called, chat room. I was paying back in that day like $200 per month. It was called Happy Trader FX or something like that. But the guy was swing trading, and he was holding positions on Forex pairs with 1 and 2 micros. Literally 1 and 2 micros. He was holding positions for days and weeks. And you know, every other day he came into the chat room and we talked about the open positions. Now, how is this looking? And we were talking about fundamentals. And the guy was holding, and you know, every other day, I mean, not every day, but once or twice every week, he closed out the trade with micros that was in profit, with a fairly good profit. So he was holding a trade on average for a week or 2 weeks at least. At least 2 weeks he was sitting in a trade. He was paying swap as well, And he was, I remember that he was always going long on Australian pairs because of the positive swap, and he was building up Australian Aussie yen positions, you know, because the positive swap actually helped out the account with a great way. He was actually making money every single day with the positive swap, and he was always holding long-term swing positions, and he was profitable, guys. And his drawdown was about 10%, 8 or 10% drawdown. So that was a good inspiration for me, but I wasn't really able to catch up with that thing. He was basically trading with fundamentals. He was reading the news, you know. But it was a good thing to be in that group. This feels like a spring upward. Yeah, I think so too, Naomi. The swing, yeah. The reason Forex ran into issues because each broker could have different fields or something. Yes, something like this. Regulations and shady brokerages, you know, unregulated brokerages, which never put the trader into. I mean, everybody was B-booked and, you know, effed everybody over with slippage and technical issues. Spikes that were not even there. So you were holding a huge position and you just got spiked out. And on the other broker, there was no spike. So you just got spiked out and stuff like that. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. A lot of other things happened. And anyway. Yeah, the Swiss rep blew up, Alperi? Was it? Okay. What about the earthquake? I know there was an earthquake, and it caused a lot of trouble with the Japanese yen thing. And anyway, I did actually try one dangerous dragon. At one time, I did actually try the one called, yeah, the Dungeons and Dragons. That was my intro. Yeah, I went with them too, but the rest is history, you know. Oh yeah, Forex Factory, back in the days, 2007, 2008, when I approached trading, there was nothing online, forexfactory.com. That was it, guys, that was it, Forex Factory. I can actually show you, I'm not going to search for it now. I have an account with Forex Factory, I just forgot the password, so I'm not going to go into that right now. I still have my posts on Forex Factory from 2008 or 9 or something. There was only forums, and that's it. That's where you get your information. You posted something, you waited for someone to reply, you know, stuff like that. There was no Discord or all these things that we have now. Nobody streamed, basically. This different. No prop firms, obviously. Yeah, they B-booked everybody. Yeah, fundamentals are very important for swing traders. I think if you want to be a swing trader, you definitely have to look into fundamentals and understand what is happening in the market. You know, technical analysis is not enough, I think. Yeah, I agree. For intraday trading, for these small liquidity voids and fair value gaps and all these things, you can manage. But for long-term positions, you gotta look into fundamentals. You must. Marilyn thought he might have a little. Marilyn, not really familiar. James 16 and his price action course, not really familiar. But actually, I'm gonna check on my posts from Forex Factory. I'm gonna check on my posts. Where's the forum? Forum search. Maybe I can find it. Oh, it was 2009. Okay. 2009 when I posted. My oldest post. My oldest post. When was it? I think this is it. From 2009. Guys, this is me. This is my post here. My nickname was this, SZT0495. This is the Pip Ninja logo here. Greeting. Looking for a MACD alert indicator. Can anyone help? Thanks. This post was my first post back in 2009 on Forex Factory. My first post ever on Forex. But yeah, yeah. So then I was posting. I didn't have just this one. I had another login as well, but this was my first one. I only made like 40 posts. So this is a proof that I was involved in trading in 2009, but actually I began with 2007 with Fab Turbo. 2007 with Fab Turbo. Why were you a commercial? Why I was a commercial member? Is that it? I don't know. Is this a commercial member? I know why this is. I think Forex Factory changed it, not me, because I started to post stuff from my website, and so I started to post links, and they just did this. But I haven't posted on this one since a while. A few months ago, I posted again, and then they put me into commercial member. So I cannot, I can't reply to any posts because I'm not banned, but I got restricted from posting. But I have a different account, not just this one. But you know, back in 2009. Oh my God, 15 years ago. 15 years ago, guys. Time, guys, time. Where were you guys 15 years ago? Especially the young ones. I was posting on Forex trading. So what happened? I left Forex trading because I wasn't profitable and I was an idiot. You know, I was 20-something years old. I was chasing girls and I was partying and spending all my saved money for stupid stuff. So I didn't take it serious. And that's it. Yeah. Yeah, but that's why I'm saying, Scar. Back in that days, I wasn't taking it seriously. So I thought that I just put on a magical MACD indicator and I'm gonna be a millionaire in a month. And I was really into that. Like, oh, I'm just gonna put my MACD indicator and in 2 months, I'm just gonna fly private jet and, you know, I'm gonna be partying all around the world. I was that stupid. So I wasn't really taking it seriously. I left trading. I was working for insurance companies and all that such. And when I got back to trading, it was 2018 technically. And then I lost my private money, my personal money, and when I really took it seriously, it was 2022. And here I am now. Looks like you're gonna but yeah. Near 16 years ago. I was playing poker at this time. I can remember that some poker buddies switched for trading. Yeah, poker players are good in trading. Yeah. I was playing CS 1.6. Camille, I was playing CS 1.6 in 1999. 1999, 2000. I was playing Half-Life Team Fortress with my friends. With a few computers in a network. I was skateboarding with friends. Let's go. You think you would go pro? Awesome. Singularity was retired. I was having your... Oh, nice, Michelle. Nice. I was a senior high school. Nice. When did you first start watching Bitcoin? I was... believe it or not, I have no proof. a friend of mine who is well, not a close friend of mine, but I know the guy. He made a good money on Bitcoin. He was telling me to buy Bitcoin in 2014. He told me, I think the price was already around $300 or something like that. I don't know. He told me, man, you definitely have to buy Bitcoin. It's gonna be blah blah blah. And he sold one of his house and he put the money into Bitcoin. Guess what happened? Now the guy owns like 10 apartments in a city and he's just renting it out. And majority of the money came from Bitcoin. That was back in 2014. And he made money until 2016 or 17, you know, at that cycle. And he took it out and he bought more houses, apartments. And he told me that, man, you have to buy Bitcoin. He was calling me, dude, buy Bitcoin. And I said, yeah, you know. I do miss those days, yes. I didn't have money, but I miss those days. I mean, I had some money, but yeah. Also on FF labeled commercial. What? Forex Factory. Labeled the commercial. All right. I was playing Socom on PS1. What is that? Is that Sonic? Or something? I don't know. BTC for me 2020. I wish I paid more attention. Yeah. So that's why I lost money, by the way. That was an interesting thing. My friend who made a bunch of money from 2014 to 2017 on Bitcoin, I saw his success. It was, I mean, not a close friend, but I knew the guy. He made a bunch of money. So I put a lot of money at the end of 2017, early 2018 into crypto. But most likely altcoins, shitcoins, and all that stuff. So I invested tens of thousands of dollars. Well, 20,000, 25,000, something like that. I don't even remember. Guess what happened in 2018? Minus 90%. Boom. So I burned myself with crypto so hard. I'm not going to invest in crypto. No way. That money was crucial for me. So I burned myself with crypto. I don't care the slightest about altcoins and meme coins and shit coins. Maybe if I would be rich for the fun, I would buy some. But, you know, I bought right at the top. Oh, me too. Yeah. Back in the day. Yeah. Alpha, you can detach yourself from money. Yeah, maybe. I wish I had a friend like you. Yeah, no. You don't wish that, Alex. I was stupid. I was making so many. Actually from 2010 and until 2020, I made so many stupid mistakes. So many. I was also partying, so I was partying, but so many stupid financial mistakes. Oh my god. That's why I'm saying I wish I could just go back to 2010. Oh my god. 2009, whatever. Yeah, this is untradeable, by the way. If you guys are waiting for a trade, I'm not going to put a trade on. Even if we go to 400, which I think we will. I'm just not entering this. I just can't. ProfiTrade funding is 90. Yeah, right now I think it's 90%, Tony Chan. You gotta play like, yeah, I was also reading like the 40-year, 5-year cycles. But I know a guy who actually invested almost 5 years ago or 4 years ago, and he's still down because he bought some shit coins. But I'm not saying digital currency is not the future. I'm just saying the crypto market in its current state is just not good. At least cycle average price looking to get out. Let's go, man. Congratulations, money promoter. You are sitting in it. I bought 22 Ethereum for, oh wow. You made a good profit there. 1100. I can't advise. I mean, what kind of advice you want me to say? I got the bottom luckily at 16. That's a very good price, Curtis. My God. Awesome. By the way, I am very curious how this current election is going to affect the crypto prices and the stocks. You know, I feel that they're going to pump it. They're going to pump ES as well, and everything is going to go. And whoever wins, I think they already know who's going to win. Then maybe we could see some kind of a correction. I don't know. They suffered the US sector probably yesterday. Whoa. Oh yeah, I know. I received the email. But yeah, they're back now. But now they're okay. Switch from online poker to trading. Then buy some bitcoins. Imagine. Oh my God, $50. Jesus. The earthquake was a tsunami that took Fukushima. Oh, that's it. That's it, Sorel. The nuclear plant. Yeah, that earthquake. I remember that. I remember that, Sorel. Yeah, it was all over the news. And I said, no way, this coin. I remember myself to, you know, they were calling me buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. I said, yeah, sure, you know, and I was laughing like, yeah, sure. Hey, Gabor, Trump. And yeah, good to see you. It was like. By the way, I'm not into politics, but I think Trump is going to win, is what I think. What I see, obviously, in social media everywhere there is Trump, so that means something. Hey, Sapham, what's going on? 60K was not the bottom, but yeah, that's a very good. That's a very good reward on investment. This is the preference to go for 50K account. What is the cheapest combined? Well, the cheapest one combined with activation fee is MyFundedFutures starter account. $76 with the discount. The 50K account includes the activation fee as well. That's the cheapest one. MyFundedFutures. No activation fee, but you have to pay $76 per month. But if you pass, there is no activation. So that's the cheapest. Without activation, the cheapest one is ProfiTrade and Bulenox currently. ProfiTrade, you can start with $16 and you can have $85. And by the way, ProfiTrade, no monthly fee on the evaluation. So only a one-time $16 fee. If you pass it in 3 months, it's going to be still $16. So that's a positive thing. But the cheapest activation fee is $85 with ProfiTrade. But Bulenox has $148 activation fee. But it's $17.50 right now. 3K during COVID. Yeah, I remember. Make Hungary great again. Yeah. Trading wise, yeah. Notice how strangely enough Fukushima is never mentioned. Yeah, I remember, but then nobody's talked about it. At that time, it was all over, but since then, nobody talked about the Fukushima power plant. You know. Trump equals good economy. You guys in the US, you know it better. I don't know what's happening. But you're welcome, Edgaras. You're welcome. I know a good code. Wink. Trump's tweets that has moved the market in his presidency was fun. Oh yeah. Kuko. Yeah, I remember he was commenting on the markets. Say that again. I just landed. Which part, John? We were talking about everything here. Do you trust ProfiTrade? Pros and cons. What can I say? I'm not saying I trust them because they're an absolutely brand new prop firm. I told that in my video, but I look at it as an investment. So I invested money. I looked at my budget, and you know, it's when you go to a casino, every prop firm. So I invested some money into ProfiTrade. I bought direct funded account. I activated, I passed evaluation accounts. I paid the activation fee. So there was a budget for me with ProfiTrade to, okay, go in, try to take payout. If ProfiTrade would go down tomorrow, I don't care. And I'm sorry to say that like that, but I want to diversify my accounts with these prop firms. And if it goes down, it goes down. Unfortunate what happened with fast track trading. It's really it's never good when a prop firm goes down, but or goes under. They're not down yet, but they're definitely under. So I trust them. I like the payout policy. Pros and cons. Pro is, there's quite a few pros. You can check my video. The only, I would say, it's not a bad thing. They also have the rule against the flippers. So in order to be able to request payout, they have a similar, very similar rule that, you know, flipping for $1 does not count as a trading day. That's it with ProfiTrade. So on a 50K account, you have to trade above $189 for 50% of your trading days has to be made above $189 on a 50K account. On a 25K account, I think it's $69 or $80, I don't know, 60 something dollars to be counted as a trading day, which is, I think, manageable. Like TopStep has $200 to count as a trading day, right? It's against flippers as well. Otherwise, everything is cool. I like the payout policy, you know. Orban is big buddy. Yeah, they are big buddies. I mean, I never, you know, I don't like to go because I don't like you guys to judge me about politics, you know. I live here in Hungary. I know what's happening here. I don't know what's what's happening in the US exactly, because you guys, many of you guys live there. So if you guys think that Trump is good, obviously, then Trump is good. I live here. I can only have an opinion about our prime minister, which I'm not going to go into, but that doesn't mean that I'm not respecting everybody who looking at else. I mean, I never wanted this to be about politics. I respect everybody's political opinion. What is TickTick have idea? I don't know. I don't understand the question, Scar. The reason BTC has pushed up recently to do much better in polling. Yeah, we already voted early here. I have never seen first day early vote that busy. Oh, the lines were on the street. Nice. We all know that what that means, Gabor. I think you guys know what that means. I have not been paid. I have not been paid from ProfiTrade. I just reading the rules carefully, and I was chatting with the founders, and I exchanged some emails. What is TRIAC in ProfiTrade? I don't understand. What is TRIAC? I want something budget free. Well, then you need to go with the cheapest one. So requires safety net. Currently not. On a 50K account, you can request the safety threshold. The withdrawal threshold is $2,600, and you can request $2,000. Yeah, and then you're gonna have to leave $500. which is currently very attractive for those traders who just want to withdraw the safety net and blow the account. I don't know if they're going to leave it for a long time. I'm not sure, obviously. We all saw what happened with Fast Track, and you know, so I don't know. But for now, you can withdraw the safety threshold just like Apex before the rules. How did you get all this money? That crypto crash was brutal. Depending on, need to go 56 to withdraw on 50k. Need to have, yeah, exactly. Lost 10k on Hex. Yeah, that I lost $25,000 on shitcoins. Yeah, I was working in an insurance company and I put my savings into crypto and I lost it. What is activation fee? The cheapest activation fee is $85, but you can customize it. You can customize the activation fee depending on you want consistency rule, end of day drawdown. The activation fee is going to differ. $85 one time on trailing. Yeah. Morning, Zach. Did you get your last payout from them? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Last night, you are lucky. I didn't. I didn't even get any affiliate commission, just FYI. So, migration politics is the same. Yeah. Polling shows up Trump is behind by. Really? Interesting. 100 trades unlike micros. $50 or 100 trades. Depends on what type of account and which prop firm. Victor Orban. Yeah. The US affects the world. It's the mess. Yeah. Obama, Clinton. Yeah. News in 5 minutes. Yeah. Let's wait for the news. Can someone share me a link to their website? It's in the description, by the way, Scar. Or if you want Tick Trader, you can just Google it. I don't have it on here or Tradeify, but for ProfiTrader, there's a link down there or in the chat. Streamlabs should be spamming it. There it is right now. ProfiTrade, yeah. On the trail accounts on ProfiTrade is pretty cheap. Yeah. Only $30 on the 15k. There's a 15k. I didn't even know that there's a 15k. Shitcoin Flocky. Turn into 1000. Nice. Were you a flipper or a dipper? I think I was. I mean, I don't know what the dipper is. I was also flipping. I did. I said that before, that I was also aiming with Apex for the first available withdrawal and fast track trading too. As soon as I reached the payout level, I just, well, depending on what it's flipping, I wasn't flipping with $1, but I was making like $20 days, $40 days, and that's it. Easy longs, yeah. As much as I hate Apex constant rule change, I must admit they're a company I get paid by. Yeah. So reaching 2000, it says, you cannot request, but you can request above. So what I'm doing right now, and I can show you guys what I'm doing with Apex. I have only left with 2 funded accounts. I had 4. I have blown 2. So what I'm doing is, here's a funded account with Apex. So I'm almost at $3,000 on this one, and the other one also at almost at $3,000. What I'm gonna do is I'm try to build it to $3,600 with Apex, and I'm just gonna request $1,000. I'm gonna do the same exact thing I'm doing with Bulenox. So whenever I reach $1,000, I'm just gonna request it. Always $1,000, and that's it. It should be adding up, right? So always $1,000. And I'm doing the same with the other prop firms too. If I can get $1,000, withdraw. And maybe I will scale it up, but you know. 350k. Yes, that's a good price, Pablo. Okay, 25k. But yeah, because I thought that there's only 25k. So you can get a direct to funded account as well, but also the 25ks are cheap too. The evaluations, activation fee, Subham. It's the cheapest one is $85, but I would say Subham. Check out my videos. I did a review video last week. It's a very basic review video, very basic. But just watch it, and I talk about how the activation is going on with ProfiTrade. There's multiple versions how you can activate the account, but it's a very basic video. Check it out. So far, they seem to be. The founders are the ones from Tick Trader, and they seem to be professional. They talk like a professional, and they seem normal guys. You know, seems like they backed it up because they said they're back up there. Fundamentally, they're backed up. So I think they have a vision, which is good. But I talked this about in the first part of the video that they are brand new, so it's your decision. But so far, okay. Yes, they have a flipping rule, Tony. They have a flipping rule. If you go to their frequently asked questions site, at the making of the video which I made, there was nothing about the flipping rule. They said they were going to be, but it's a very fresh thing. But there is a flipping rule, yes. There is a flipping rule, but it's not. It's simple. It's absolutely not a huge thing to go with. So it's you just have to make sure you trade above $189 for so the minimum trading day is 7. Just gotta make sure you trade 4 days above that number. That's for the 50k. For the 25k, it's 60 something dollars. That's also okay, and so on. But check out the frequently asked questions page. Morning, Sarah. Which platform? Quantower, in my opinion, is very good. I'm not saying it's the best. Yeah, Luna was interesting. By the way, I'm still waiting for shorts. I'm still waiting to jump into a short. I just don't have a trade here that I like. Actually, at this point, I could be jumping into a short. You know, for the stream, I take a short. I'm going to explain to you why, okay? I'm going to explain to you, but I think it's a very low probability trade. I'm only taking it on evaluation account. But here it is. I am going to so yeah, it's gonna go higher. No stopping. The reason I took a small short here for the stream, only evaluate. I'm not touching my funded accounts and at this hour, but there was a small market structure shift right there. We had a fair value gap, not that significant, you know, but swept the 400s, and we have some very, very good targets below that. So this is my short entry, and I'm going to show you guys where it is. Here. Here's my short entry. I highly doubt that it's gonna fall now, but this was my idea, to go short. You know, targeting those levels down there. You breached the account, sir. A Ninja Trader with Bulenox account is showing orders can be placed. Yeah, you breached the account. You haven't. Then you have to. Send support ticket. Yeah, exactly. I meant to say as well. Send the support ticket. They will figure it out then. Maybe they will manually, you know, activate it or something. No, this is part of my plan. This is partially part of my plan, but this trade is not something I like to trade on a funded account because I think it's a low probability short. If this one would go back all the way down to the new day opening gap at 299, that would be the ultimate goal. But that's a huge drop. I mean, just look at that. That drop would be, well, actually not, 85 points. You know what? I'm gonna stay with this one. I'm gonna stay with this one. But by the way, there is no issue with Bulenox so far. And just one single thing, you know, the prop firms that we don't talk about too much, take ProfiTrade, Bulenox, and basically not really talking too much about MyFundedFutures. You know why? Because they pay out people. No questions asked. Nothing. They just pay out on the clockwork, like clockwork. No issues with MyFundedFutures. Absolutely no issues with Take Profit Trader. Fastest payout. I really hope I can reach the funded account with them. No activation fee. So Bulenox, no issues. Payout every week. So they are in the background just paying out people. They're not asking questions. My TP, let me show you, is way down there, 340. Actually, I'm going to raise it to 41, 341. But this is a low probability trade. I feel like we can still go higher and take some liquidity above 420. So we're not done yet, I just feel like. But, you know, market structure shift, fair value gap, displacement, liquidity swept. You know, maybe I might be able to hold this throughout the New York session. That was the idea of the trade. I should consider 1 month, 1 week, and 1 day charts too. I don't really check the monthly chart, not even the weekly, and not really the daily charts I check, but if you're a swing trader, yes, but for day trading, I don't think it's necessary to check higher than 4 hour or daily. That's the maximum. I can't get on the account to trade it. Oh, they should be activating it. It's a good short. It was rejected from the Fibonacci. Okay, thank you. That's a good confirmation then. I haven't even checked the Fib. Is the 40% calculated with threshold? Yes. Yes. Or if you get a payout, for example, I took a payout recently yesterday from Bulenox, and now the account is down to $2,600. And 10 day is the payout. Minimum trading days is 10 day with Bulenox. That means if I want to take out another $1,000, it's restarting the consistency, which means 40% is going to be $400 for $1,000. So after every payout, the consistency resets for until the next payout. So it's going to measure those trading days in between those payouts. So if I want to take out 1,000, I got to make sure I don't go over $400 on any particular trading day. That's it, basically. But until you reach the $3,600 threshold, your consistency is going to be $1,440. Your best day should not be greater than $1,440. Were you serious about the meetup? Of course I was. I was serious. I just wondering how many of you guys would be able to travel to Budapest. That would be awesome. What I can do on my part is obviously book the place and book the dinner and pay for the dinner, obviously, or lunch or whatever. And it would be my treat, obviously. But I don't know how many of you guys would be able to travel to Budapest, you know. But that would be awesome. If we would have at least like 10, 15 people, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. You know, you can bring your spouse, everything, and then we would be having like 20, 30 people. That would be awesome. Gábor is coming. Gábor, különösen üdvözölnélek, ha egyszer jössz erre. Yeah, Gábor is Hungarian in Florida. I would be glad to have him here. Plane tickets and hotel? Well, you know, for 20 people, 15 people, plane tickets, that's a little bit over my budget currently. But you know what, guys? If I'm gonna be on the leaderboards or whatever, I might gonna get the plane tickets from those payouts, you know. Who knows? Yeah, Trader Monk is here. Ron, absolutely. I mean, but then we would have to seriously, you know, try to, you know, organize that. All right, Marek. Awesome. I can drive or take the train. That's it. Yeah, it would be awesome. I would enjoy that, actually. I would really enjoy that. So, by the way, what do you guys think? Because if we go back down to the new week opening gap, maybe I should just hold this trade all the way down to the 300s. What do you guys think? And this is going to be the proof that I entered during the stream, and we could be holding it all the way down to like here, 307-ish. There's going to be some profit taking anyway down there. That would be awesome, right? This would be a great trade. Like this. All the way down to 307-ish something. But I gotta take some partials. I gotta take some partials. I just cannot. I cannot do this the way like this. Bearish SMT. We had bearish SMT. Nice. Well, I'm not risking too much with this trade, so I think I risk about $100 on this. Take something at 342. Yeah, I'm thinking too that this level I should be taking off something at 42-ish. I'm gonna do that. So let's refurbish here the take profit levels. So I'm gonna take partial at 42.25. And I'm going to have a stop for that up there. I'm going to connect these orders. And I'm going to take the final TP down at 308. Come on. Down at 308. And I'm going to connect these two. Stop loss is 403. Okay. Now it's connected. Partial profits are in place. That's it. 4 micros overall. Taking partials. 342 and 308 would be the final. But I believe, guys, that we're still not done yet. Look at this level here. This, that 419, 420-ish area is still in play. That's what I'm afraid of, that's still in play. But we'll see. You didn't F it up. Let me check it. To beat this target, make an additional... Oh no. What did you do? No problem. You can make this super easy. Super easy. You just make an additional 9K. For you, that's like an easy morning trade. You went over the consistency rule. That's an easy morning trade for you, man. Let me read the chat. I'm sorry. I'm way behind the chat. Yeah, hopefully it was a good call. So you see, I was just waiting and waiting. I told you my plan. My plan was to wait for a possible short. And so I always say that to trust your analysis, wait for your plan, anticipate the move for the market. It might gonna come later, not in the London session, but just anticipate the move, and then when your setup appears, then you will take it. Because I know I talk about everything during the stream, but if I don't see, and I shield prop firms, I know that too. I get so much hate, and I got some messages as well. So I shield prop firms, yes. And but if I don't see my trade, I just don't enter. Whoa! Jesus! Oh Jesus, no payout these days, but wanted to make someone's day. Okay guys, it seems like we're up for a giveaway. Thank you so much, Reza. Oh my god. We're gonna do a giveaway now.
Good morning, Tom and everyone. Hope you all doing great. Even no payout these days, but wanted to make someone's day. $50 giveaway. Smiley face.
All right, Reza, it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure to put up for this giveaway. I'm gonna do giveaway too, by the way. But I think it might gonna be tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Timer, no timer, giveaway. Let's set it up. Thank you so much, Reza. My man, I don't know what to say. In the name of the community, the giveaway is sponsored by Reza Banks. Exclamation mark cash. We're gonna pick the winner at the end of the hour. You can now enter. Reza is a super generous guy. Real gentleman. Exclamation mark cash. $50 cash giveaway. Let's go, everybody. Oh, you were trading. You thought that you're on an XFA. Well, still good. Entered a few minutes. Really? Okay, let me check it, Dale Zazinga. When I grow up, I want to be sure. Oh, everybody wants to be like Reza. Yeah, thank you again. Real generous. All right, exclamation mark cash to enter. Let me check the email. Okay. Let's look at this. This is DL Zazinga's trade. Nice. Beautiful. Looking for targets down there. Let's go. Let's go. It's up to you, but there could be some profit taking. There could be some profit taking before this wick at 40. So that's why I... Paul, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome, welcome. So there could be some profit taking throughout the day at 340. So if you want to play it safe, I would put my TP, but it's up to you. I would put my TPs a few points above, like I did at where's my partial? 42.25 is a partial for me, because I think price, if price comes down here, then it should be slowing down, taking some profits, and it could go sideways and even bounce a little bit back. So if you take some of it off here, that would be a little better, because I saw your TP was lower. Maybe I saw it. Anyway, take some of it here, and that's it. I think. Otherwise, I think, you know, whatever. I mean, we're all here for the profits, right? Reza, thanks again. Super generous. Get some likes up, yeah. Give a like to the stream and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna do a giveaway tomorrow, all right? Tomorrow for Friday, to have a happy Friday. I'm gonna do a giveaway on my end, according to my budget. Let's get the like up. Thank you. Hey Paul, what subscription you most have for? I have the Essential subscription and the CME data subscription, which is, I think that it's called the essential package, or I don't know what it's called. This is the cheapest subscription for TradingView, because I don't want to have the 3-second lag. And the data, I pay for the CME, which is like $8 or $10. Overall, I think I pay around, because I pay tax too, online, because it's an online service, so it's about $26 monthly for TradingView is what I pay. Stops at break even. Let's go. I'm not putting it to break even yet, but you know, let's just wait. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. We'll see how it goes. The kill zone is gonna be over in 7 minutes. We're gonna pick the winner after the new hourly candle starts. Okay, so exclamation mark cash. Let me show you guys how. We have 32 participants, so we have 100 people watching and 32 people entered the giveaway, which is very good. I mean, for you guys who entered. The chances are good, you know, the odds are good. Price is at M15 bullish value gap. If this wants to go down, price shouldn't respect it. Yeah, if it really wants to go down, it should be disrespected and just keep falling down. But don't forget that we have a new day opening gap, quite big. If you look to the left, this area as well. And also we are in daily premium. We have some beautiful sell side liquidity areas down there at the 40 area. And whatever happens after that, I don't know. But and we have a 1 hour busy. Mid-level is here also. So good juicy targets. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Whoa. Age of Nuggetsoon. Sorry. Age of Nuggetsoon, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Ba-da, 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 ba-dum, ba-da. What else do we have? Let me check. We have a bit of a retracement here. Oh, kültérképet már is nézem. Let me check. Gabor just sent me a picture. Oh, wow. Yeah, you guys are into a lot of work right now. Well, it is what it is, but by the way, I'm gonna talk just a second in Hungarian. Ilyenkor kaptok valamit az államtól, egy kis segítséget a hurrikán után, hogy besegítenek anyagilag, hogy újraépíteni, vagy mit valami, vagy építőanyagot, vagy pénzt. Remélem igen, vagy nem tudom, hogy van ez. So I'm just asking if they get some sort of a help in Florida after the hurricane from the government to financially to help in the repairs, rebuilding, you know, anything. One tick away from partial. It didn't go down there. Well, we'll see how it goes. It can just continue higher. You know, that 15-minute gap. Yeah. So far, it's respecting it. You know. Yeah, this was something that was in the cards. But now it's the waiting game. Now comes the decision point. If price wants to go back up there or continue lower. It might continue higher and take out those highs. And maybe New York session will bring the sell-off if it brings the sell-off. We don't know. It's not looking good now, is it? Oh, basszus, sajnálom. Azt hittem, hogy segítenek ilyenkor a károsultaknak valahogy, valamennyivel. Florida. Gabor is in Florida. And they're still recovering from Hurricane Milton. I banked and we'll watch. Yeah, I don't know. It's a little bit. It's quite a strong bounce here. I don't like it, but what can I do, right? What can I do? It's trading, guys. It's trading. Oh, I forgot the exact place. We're in Florida. But ah, you put 352. Why give money back? Yeah, I kind of put on this trade as a bit of a swing trade until the New York session. But anyway, we have the new hour right now. So how are we doing with the giveaway? 41 people entered. Exclamation mark cash. We're gonna pick the winner in 1 minute. Port Orange, Daytona. Oh, Daytona, come on, yeah. I remember that, Daytona. Yeah. Lives in Tampa. All right, guys. I'm going to close the entries in a few seconds and we're going to pick the winner. All right. Last chance to enter exclamation mark cash. To enter the giveaway. What's the news? I don't know. Don't know any news. Any trades, Tom? Yeah, I am in a trade. This one. My alarm didn't wake me. Don't worry about it. Pretty easy. Let's go, guys. Well, we had PMI data. That's all we had, but you know. Reza Banks is sponsoring a giveaway once more. Once again. So, all right, guys. Few more seconds and I'm closing down now. 46 people entered. Closing the giveaway in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Closed it. All right. Let's go. The winner of the giveaway from Reza Banks, the one and only, the best trader on the stream, who always makes the best trades, and he's here every time, or she, who knows, every time. The one who we like is no other than Betsky. Congratulations. Congratulations, Betsky, for winning. Make yourself known. Awesome, awesome. Betsky, congratulations for winning. I see you're here. Congrats on the $50 cash giveaway sponsored by Reza Banks. So he's the one who I have to thank for. And here is my email. If you can send me an email with your PayPal, if you have PayPal, I hope you do. If not, we'll figure it out. If you have PayPal, please send me an email with your PayPal and I'm gonna get this going right away. Congratulations. Congratulations. And thank you again, Reza Banks. Thank you so much for helping out the community with the giveaway, and you're really nice for doing this. Nice gesture. All right, congrats again. Let's go. Thank you again. Really, really nice gentleman. I'm gonna have to do a video about Reza Banks soon, I think. I need to step away. Catch you later. All right. Singularity, thank you for being here on the stream. Enjoyed your company here. Thank you, man. Thank you. Oh. Oh, I see. I see. Still. Damn, man. Thank you for being here. Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely, Singularity. Okay. All right, all right. All right. So send the email. All right, let me check it. Let me check it. Where's my email? I closed down my email tab. It was opened up. Now I have to log in again. Okay. Let me log into PayPal. PayPal. Was PayPal, did Elon Musk buy PayPal years ago and sold it? What happened? Elon Musk had to do something with PayPal, no? Or do I know it wrong? I think he was doing something, or maybe it was somebody else. He bought it and sold it. I don't know exactly the details. Betsky, can you just confirm to me that on your profile picture you have pumpkins or paprika or whatever it is? Because I found two with almost the same name. I think it's you, by the way, but you have some, yeah. Canele, yeah, sorry. Canele, okay. That's you, all right. Oh yeah, kind of. Okay, I thought that because it was just a small little picture there. You know, what is that? Like a pumpkin or what is that? Okay, I found you. All right. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, it's done. It's done. PayPal is eBay's pet project. It's still the operation 85. Yeah, the activation fee is still 85 at Apex and ProfiTrade too. Yes, he was co-founder. Yeah. Okay. Camille, where are you at? Where you were? That giveaway is over for now. Stay tuned for tomorrow. All right. You're going short. Let's go. Elon Musk co-founder. Yeah, I know something has to do with Elon Musk. Paprika. Yeah. CEO. Yeah, I remember that. He had to do something with PayPal. I just wasn't sure if he was CEO, co-owner, founder, whatever, or he just bought it and then sold it. Yeah. No paprika. Okay. Closed all my entries. Feel like it might. Yeah, I don't like this one too. It seems like it's respecting that 15-minute gap. It might go higher. Sold his share. That was the big jump for him, I think. You know, in measurements there. So he made a very good money when he sold PayPal, right? That was his first big jump financially. when he sold PayPal. Absolutely, Batsky. Absolutely. Congratulations. So that was a big deal for him, I think. How can I overcome fear of executing my trades? Paul, what I did is I size down. I go with micros, especially on funded accounts. Size down, like really go as low as 1 or 2 micros or something until you get comfortable with the entries. So size down, very small risk. Always use a stop loss, proper stop loss, and or take partials or put your stop to break even. I'm not doing that, but it's my perspective. But what you can do is to gain confidence is take partials, size down, and filter out some trades. You know, look for the better trades. You know, less is more, actually. Less is really more if you really think about it. So I would size down, definitely, Paul. Less is more, yes. George Miguel, thank you for joining the channel. Welcome on the stream. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. All right. So, you know what I think? I think this, you know, can take all the way until New York AM session. This one can just, you know, hover around here, maybe even go up there and then go, who knows? So we're just going to stay in this area, I think. The kill zone is officially over, so until 7 or 8 a.m. we could be just, you know, going sideways. And that's it. No, Tomasz, I did not steal it from you because I read it with Mark Douglas books. So you can actually search for it. Less is more is in the trading game, since I read that in books, actually. I can prove to you. So I know exactly what you're saying. You wrote the book. Damn it, man. Damn it, man. Now you wrote... Okay, you're writing books. Jorge, welcome. Or George. I don't know how you pronounce it. George, Jorge, Miguel. I don't know. Maybe I butchered your name. I'm sorry about that. One trade a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Okay, you have to put a copyright on that one because I'm gonna steal that definitely. You're Spanish. Yeah, you're named the Miguel. That's awesome, man. You know, I wanna travel there. I always wanted to visit Madrid. You know, especially because I'm a huge fan of Ermenstein. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome to the channel. So I always wanted to go to Madrid because one of my idols in life is the famous Hungarian football player Ferenc Puskás. As you might know, he was a player in the old times, and I have books from Ferenc Puskás and when he was playing in Spain, and I always wanted to visit there. Oh, look at this price action. What the heck is going on? I thought we were gonna go for the new day opening gap. This is not what I agreed on the market makers. Knowledge Seeker, hey there, just subscribed, thank you. I was listening your BTC missed opportunity. I missed when BTC was 20. Jesus, oh my god. Oh, $20. So you know about the opportunity. You had your chance at £20, dude. Yeah, I know. So if I look back, I feel what you're saying. So I could have made some better choices in the past. Obviously, it happens to every one of us. Anyway, I'm pulling up once I get the payout, Tom, and I'm bringing the Diddy oil. I don't want the Diddy oil. Let's keep that. You know, I don't want to be part of that party. Check out DC. Let me check. Oh, you're still in it. Tomasz is still buying gold. He's sitting in that gold trade since forever, almost at $80,000. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe I can push it here. Tomasz is sitting in almost $80,000 since 24.72. Look at this guy. Look at this. He's listening to music. You guys don't see it, but I can see it. He's listening to this, what is that? Crybaby. I don't know what that is. So he's listening some Crybaby music. His phone has to be recharged, and he's a cheap guy. I know that because he's using a Wi-Fi. He doesn't have money to afford mobile data on his cell phone, so he has to connect to a Wi-Fi. But he's still sitting in $80,000 of a trade. So, and he has to charge his phone. You know, 19% down, and you're listening to Crybaby. That's a no. But anyway, good position. And it says Positionen. Are you German or what? I thought you're Hungarian. I'm just mocking you. That's a nice trade. That's a beautiful trade there. Let me check the other picture too. Oh yeah, this is the real thing. Okay, beautiful. He's sitting in it. He is absolutely sitting in this trade. Look at that, all the way from down there. And he's using a German version. Anyway, which is cool. I'm just joking around. This is awesome, man. You were able to hold this since that far back. That is awesome. Dude, I don't like this. Is gonna take me out. I don't like this. The 15-minute got rejected. The last resort for this, if I take the FIB tool and I put it here on the 5-minute, you know, we're just at OTE level. Reprice the gaps here, so I don't know. I'm a little bit concerned now. I really wanted to see a nice little drop, but it's just not happening, not right now. So we might go back to the 419-ish level. Anyway, 419. Dude, I'm not saying I'm pissed off because it's only evaluation, but what I'm gonna do, what's my risk? My stop loss is up there, 403. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna keep that risk. It's like only $100 and it's evaluation, so I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, up to 3K. Yeah. All right, guys. I think this is it for me. I'm going to call it here. I'm going to leave this trade. Whatever happens, if it takes me out, it takes me out. I don't care. We had a good session. Talked about some things. Thank you so much for joining. I'll be back for a New York session. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you would like to support, please use my codes. The tomsabo code works all of these prop firms. Bulenox, take ProfiTrader, no activation fee. Bulenox is down 90%. Apex, 1-day pass. MyFundedFutures, check out the new Milestone account. ProfiTrade, instant funded account, and cheap evaluations if you want to join. Thank you so much for watching. Köszönöm szépen. Thank you. And I'll be back in New York. Hopefully see you guys then. All right. Cheers. God bless you. Be safe.